I think it's the stimulator. Let's see. Huh? Sun stimulator, March 20th. The storm's coming because the dark moon. I mean, dark cloud over there towards LA now. Or did it move towards that way? Right? What? That dark cloud over there. Did it move that way, or is it coming this way? So it passes up, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. Those are seagulls. They look like UFOs, huh? They look like UFOs. They look like UFOs though, look it. There's a lot of them. They look like UFOs. I don't know what they are. It smells. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Come on. It smells here, people. Now let's go. Is there a seat over there? Over here there is, after the bridge. But there's a seat. Says that I want to get closer on the recording.
That feels good.
I'm recording. I'll continue. Here we are again, continuation of the recording. This side of the, oh yeah, where's the UFOs? You don't see no more UFOs? They're gone? Look at the clouds from this way now. And here's the shady clouds over here. And that's it. Up here? They're up here?
No, there's a black something right there. Blackbirds.
Oh yeah, I see those. No, but the white ones. Or those glowing ones.
They're gone, babe.
Okay.